Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Toufic Ahmed. So after a long break, like after 8 months, I am starting my YouTube channel again starting my content creation journey. So hope you have seen my Facebook or Insta post and you have commented and I have DM'd you my this video's link. So that's why you are here in this video. So today I'm gonna show you the best way or easy tricks method to create the sticky card section using Replo. So this is a very popular section in Webflow or Framer CMS, but I am gonna show you how to create this using Replo within just 5 to 10 minutes. So without any further ado, let's start the video. But before starting the video, if you I'm gonna tell you that if you are new to my YouTube channel and want to learn more easy tricks and things about ads like and Shopify custom codes and easy tricks and Replo and any kind of page builder, also the most popular and important thing of e-commerce, which is conversion rate optimization. So I'm gonna upload daily videos or weekly 3 to 4 videos, inshallah. So hope if you will get lots of educations from this channel, lots of you can learn a lot from this channel, and you hope you will be supporting me in my journey. So thanks. So let's start the video now. Okay, so as you can see, this is my channel, and let me go to the product page, I mean the Replo dashboard. So this is the section which I made, or I have just taken a template and customized it. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so hope it's recording well. Yeah, it's recording well. So look how much how nice it is. Okay, so sticky. Okay, so let me show you how to create this within a few minutes. Okay, let me take let me hide this, or okay, let me hide this. Let me hide, I have hided this. Okay, I did hide this. Okay, now just I am taking this is just for showcase or a structure, so it will look good, nothing exceptional in this parts. Okay, so let me create or take some sections here. Let me drag a container. Okay, let me take a color or something like this. Okay, perfect. Let me duplicate this, drag this. Let me take this, let me give this a name so you can understand. So in this I am taking 2 columns, then making it and also rename it to row. Let me give it to a fixed width. Okay, hope you can hear me well. Okay, let me, okay, 100. Just I have a big screen, so I'm giving a big width so you can see perfectly. Okay, so okay, in the first part, let me give it a heading. So we have a heading now. Okay, 5 reasons. So in this, let's reset it to fill. Okay, so 5 reasons, and in this container we will add like more. Okay, but and then make it auto layout, and next direction will be vertical. Okay, now let's make a, let's give it a fixed width. I'm just giving a fixed width. Okay, let's give it a, oh okay, so I have to show you like what I made. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let me, okay, first of all we have the row. Okay, so now let's give it a row a background. Okay, background, then spacing some 36, okay, 38 padding, 21, just giving a spacing. Okay, so we have a padding here. So, and let's see what I did here. Okay, image was there. Okay, let me just copy this column from here so I can paste it. Container. Okay, perfect. So let me just show you the main thing here, and let me copy this image to here. Okay, perfect. Now let's hide this. Okay, perfect. So now we have here block or whatever, like a stack container, a container here, which first of all, one is image. We can also make this one also, like, or we can have a parent of the image. And now we have the container here, which is containing a column, and we don't need this, we just need the column. So container which has two element, one and the two text now, and the paragraph. So let's make it sticky. Now the main part of this video is the sticky. So let's just duplicate this 3 times. Now go to sticky section, make it auto layout and vertically aligned. Let's make this group into container. Let's parent row, and this will be child, just to explain you, not, and you will be understand easily. There are 3 childs in the parent row, and let's make the parent row and childs will be filled with field. Okay, now let's change the text so you can understand. Now 3. Okay, 1 2 3, so you can understand easily. Now let's change the background color here. Now change this background color here. Okay, now change this background color here so you can understand. Okay, we have 3 different background colors here. Now in the parent row we will give it a gap of 30. Now let's make this 3. Okay, now the main thing is we will go to position, select the child, go to position, make them, well, first of all we will make the first one sticky top. Okay, so now z index will be by default 1. Then again go to the second child, go again, click position, sticky, this will be z index 2. That means that this the second container will overlap the first container. So because first container z index means 1 is 1, so if we want to overlap it, so we have to increase the z index percentage or z index quantity to 2. So now for the third child we have to again go to the position, sticky, we have to make it z index 3 because it should overlap the previous 2. So first of all, first container is 1, second container is 2, so we have to overlap the first 2, 1 and 2 child. So if we are at 3, I mean if we, the child is 3, so we have to make the z index 3 for the third child. Now if we view this, see, but what we can do here and the parent row, okay, I mean the child, for the child let's give it a top 30. Okay, so what we will see here, we will see like there will be a gap, as you can see, gap 30 pixel. If we remove this, then see, like it will fill the all the blank spaces. Okay, so same for this. So if we give it a gap, it will look good. And for this, let's give it a bit more, 39. And for this, let's give it a bit more. Okay, 50, just to showcase you, like it will now look more good. Like there will be a bit padding, as you can see, like it's stacking here. So if I just copy this again and name it 4, change its background color here to green, and make it z index 4, so it will understand. Okay, now if you see here, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the easiest way to design this card section using Replo. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have watch the video full and like this video and like the way I have created this, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So if I will upload more trick videos, I will upload more educational and Shopify related, e-commerce related videos in my channel, because I have started again. So hope you will all support me in my YouTube career also. Okay, so for the phone version, if you have, I mean, you will get this question in your mind that what for the phone. So let's fix this first. We don't need, because in phone sticky we don't need most of, because we are e-commerce, so phone is very important. Okay, let's fix this first. Okay, so let's see what happening in the phone. Okay, it is also phone, I mean the sticky same. Okay, so it's responsive also. So hope you have liked this. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.